In this short tutorial, I will show you how to make a YouTube video public using your phone. Making a video public means that anyone can watch it on YouTube. To get started, open up the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Then search for YouTube Studio. And then download and install the YouTube Studio app on your device. After that, open it and log in. Then tap where it says Content. Now you will be able to see all the videos you have uploaded to YouTube. To only see the private videos, tap where it says Visibility and then select Private. Tap Apply. It will filter your videos and only show you the private videos on your channel. Then select the video that you want to make public and then tap on this button at the top right. Tap Visibility. Then select Public. Go back. Tap on the Save button at the top right corner of the screen to save changes. This is exactly how you can make YouTube videos public on your phone. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comment section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe the channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.